Where are you gonna ride it?
Into your house. What's up, y'all? Ambassador Flavors here, and I got another biker-friendly business for you. And you can't get much more biker-friendly than a Harley store. I'm here in Dubuque at the Harley store, and I have asked around and found some really good bike experts that are about to show me what to look for when you're going to buy a new motorcycle. So, what's your names?
CC and Ian.
CC and Ian. Okay, CC and Ian. So how did y'all get to be motorcycle experts?
Because of my dad.
So your daddy taught you everything about motorcycles?
Yep.
Okay.
Because I always see him ride. Yep.
You see your daddy ride. Do you ride with him?
No.
No?
But when I grow up, I will.
When you grow up, you're going to ride with your daddy, or are you going to ride your own motorcycle?
Right here.
Okay. Do you like riding on the back or the front of the motorcycle?
The back.
So since both of y'all are motorcycle experts, I need you to tell me how to find the best motorcycle in the whole store. What makes the best motorcycle?
This one.
This one? Okay, so what do I need to look for when I buy a motorcycle?
This one right here.
But why is this one the best?
Because it has this seat that you don't fall out.
Okay, so you want a seat that you don't fall out of.
I like it because it's my favorite color, blue, and it's probably very fast. I don't really know. Very shiny.
So when I'm looking for a motorcycle, what do I need to look for?
Probably this orange one or that red one.
So what's the most important thing that makes the motorcycle be the best motorcycle?
That one. How fast it is and how shiny.
How fast and how shiny? Does it matter how loud it is?
Yeah.
So is louder better or is quiet better?
Loud. The louder ones go faster. The engine looks fast. Because you get on it and press on the wheels and the smoke goes. Like that one over there.
Okay, do you like this motorcycle?
Yeah.
So is this motorcycle better than the rest of the motorcycles, or do you like another one better?
I would like this one better.
So why is this one better?
Because it looks fast.
It looks fast. What makes it look fast?
Because it has like a big ball of black spots.
What we got going on today? Trying to buy this bike here? In terms of riding it, have you guys been on a ride before? No, so this is actually your first time getting on a bike. Well, I will say, getting onto a touring model like a Street Glide here, it's definitely, heavier, but it's also going to at the same time have more performance. By the way, guys, I'm Nathan. What's your guys' names?
I'm in.
Oh, there we go. Those are some pretty cool names. Well, have you guys been to McGrath Dubuque here before? There we go. Well, welcome back. Hopefully we can get you on the road on this thing here. In terms of, specific model, is there something that you're looking for? Performance, styling?
Fast.
Yes, it is fast. So this is actually, for Harley-Davidson here, is offering that 114 Milwaukee 8 engine. So in comparison to the twin cam, you're getting about 10% more in power. I will say I just took this on a test ride and I was having a hard time staying on the seat. So in terms of performance, I think we got that checked off. Definitely a flash, kind of bike. Definitely want to be seen on it, I will tell you that. But I can promise you this thing is loud. We do have tab aftermarket mufflers on there. So in terms of getting on the road and making sure that people hear you, you're going to be heard. Most importantly, you're going to get out there on the road, you're going to have a hell of a time. Do you guys go on long trips, or do you guys just kind of ride around town? Nice. Well, I know with the touring, it's a bit bigger bike, but at the same time, as long as, you're comfortable with it, it's a good handling bike as well. It's something to get around the curves, but as well, it can go long distance. I know, especially if you're going to Sturgis and that's going to be coming up here, this is going to be the bike you want to get on.
So what's the best kind of motorcycle? Okay, so this one's a Kawasaki. Is the Kawasaki the best kind?
Yeah.
Or is a Harley the best kind?
Harley.
Okay, so the Harley's better. So I need to look for a Harley.
Yeah. There's nice and shiny. This one. That's
So if you had to go inside and pick out the prettiest motorcycle, which one would it be?
the sparkly one.
The sparkly gold one.
Sparkly.
Super sparkly. Do you think that one would be loud too? Almost matches your dress. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna ride it?
Into your house. And then run over. And the door.
Is that a Harley-Davidson? Good job. That's the one I'd pick too. They got two of them in there just like that. You
I
can,
thought two.
yeah, you can take one and your brother can take one. That is your brother, isn't it?
I would take it.
Oh, your dad? You gonna buy him one?
Yeah.
You would. So you take both of them, huh? You go in there and sit on them? They'll let you sit on them.
Well, I already did.
You did already? Did you like it? Is it comfortable?
Then somebody got on me.
What? Now you can go in there and sit on them.
But it was a big one, and we drove on it, and it made a lot of noise.
Wow. You want to sit on mine? You can sit on this one.
No.
You don't like this one?
But I'm not going to because
Oh, it's not sparkly, so you don't want to sit on it.
Right. I guess for this bike here, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate this thing? 10 being, you know, this is exactly what we want to get on the road there.
I rate it 10.
Yeah, man. I'm with you on that one.
I would pick 3 out of 3.
3 out of 3. You know, that's still a 10 out of 10 to me.
Or 20 out of
20 out of 20. Hey, we're still in the same ratio there. So in terms of this one, I do think as long as we make it in your budget, we can have you guys ride off the road today on this thing. I guess in terms of price range, what are you guys trying to be around? All the money's right.
This part looks like a dog.
So, in terms of bike, you got a lot of metallic, got a lot of gloss here. But for the styling of the exhaust system here, we got that black styling. So it's gonna really dull that look, but also bring you upwards into that bike. I know this one's really clean. Honestly, the previous owner, he must have taken really good care of it. Might have had it in his garage. But yeah, I don't see a single scratch or dent on this thing, which is what you want. You want to be proud of what you get on. Hey guys, this is Nathan from McGrath Dubuque Harley-Davidson. I got the eagle right here behind me. You know what that means? Freedom. Actually, I just want to let you guys know from July 21st there to the 23rd, we actually have Mid-America Hog Rally coming in town. It's going to be a big event. We're going to have I know it's going to be a wide variety there, between 1,200 to 2,000 people coming in for that. We have festivities going on, some giveaways. At the same time, we have some bands coming. So we'll have a band each day, as well as catered food and drink from Catfish Charlie's. So try to make it out for that. Bring your family and friends. Have a good time. Enjoy the weekend there. It will be going on all day, so Thursday and Friday there from 10 to 5 p.m. and then Saturday 10 to 4 p.m. So like I said, hopefully you guys can make it out. If not, just make sure you're taking it easy and staying safe on the road.
Order up!